Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform Party Watch on Amazon Prime. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser, and then in the address bar simply type in primevideo.com and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged into your account, you will be able to browse through various shows that you wish to watch. Once you find the show that you are interested on, you will also be able to find the Watch Party button alongside the trailer and watch list button. You can also filter through individual episodes and you will find the Watch Party option underneath the play button. Once you click on this, you will be able to enter your name in the Chat As window. Then simply click on Create Watch Party and this will begin your watch party on Amazon Prime. You can then simply click on the copy link and then share this link with your friends so that they can simply click on this link and join with you to watch on Amazon Prime Watch Party. In order to end your watch party, simply click on End Watch Party and this will end your Prime Video watch party with your friends. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to perform watch party on Amazon Prime. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.